In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly update the look of your text and make your video feel more polished, changing the font is one of the easiest ways to do it. In DaVinci Resolve, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. To begin, go down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Edit tab. This is the workspace where you can manage clips, titles, and most of the visual elements in your timeline. If you already have text added to your project, this is where you'll be able to select it and make adjustments. Once you're in the Edit tab, find the text in your timeline or in the viewer and click on the text you want to change. Make sure you're selecting the correct text layer, especially if your project has multiple titles or graphics. This step is important because the font settings will only appear for the text element you currently have selected. Next, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Inspector if that panel is currently closed. The inspector is where DaVinci Resolve shows the settings for whatever item you have selected, so if you don't see text controls right away, double-check that your text clip is selected first. After the inspector is open, scroll down through the available text settings until you find the font options. This section lets you control the appearance of your text, including the font style being used. Click on the font menu to open the drop-down list. From there, simply choose the font you want to use. As you select a different font, your text will update so you can immediately see how it looks in your video. This makes it easy to test different styles and pick one that matches the tone of your project, whether you want something clean and professional, bold and eye-catching, or more creative. And that's it. That's how you change the font in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working on titles regularly, it's a good idea to preview a few fonts before settling on one, so your text stays readable and consistent with your overall video style. Once you know where the font menu is, making these changes only takes a few seconds.